This week, the US dollar index closed near a 3-year low, pressured by rising trade policy uncertainty, easing inflation, and renewed criticism of the Federal Reserve from President Trump. The euro briefly touched its highest level since January 2022, but eased after the ECB cut interest rates by 25 basis points and signaled slowing economic growth. The British pound extended its gains, supported by softer inflation data and growing expectations of Bank of England rate cuts. The Japanese yen hovered near 7-month highs. Inflation data met expectations, but concerns over US tariffs continued to cloud the Bank of Japan's outlook. Gold ended the week at $3,226 per ounce after reaching record highs. Safe haven demand surged amid trade uncertainty. However, profit-taking followed, and Fed Chair Jerome Powell signaled a cautious stance on rate adjustments, citing tariff-driven inflation risks. Silver slipped to $32.50 after a sharp rally, moving in line with gold. Trade tensions escalated as President Trump initiated a new probe into tariffs on key imports. Powell's remarks added to investor caution. Brent crude oil rose nearly 3% to $67 per barrel, posting a 5% weekly gain. U.S. sanctions on Iran and planned output cuts by OPEC Plus raised concerns about tighter global supply, despite weaker demand outlooks from the U.S. and China. Looking ahead, the spotlight turns to U.S. economic data. On Wednesday, all eyes will be on the latest PMI figures. On Thursday, investors will closely watch durable goods, orders, and initial jobless claims for further signals on the health of the U.S. economy.